Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Blackboard login problems, student and teacher access errors step by step clearly. First, check that you are using the correct Blackboard URL provided by your school or district. Confirm your username format, because some schools require an email address while others require a student or staff ID. Carefully retype your password, and make sure caps lock and number lock are set correctly. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow the reset steps using your school email. If your school uses single sign-on, log out of all Microsoft or Google accounts and then sign in with the correct school account only. Try opening Blackboard in an incognito or private browser window to avoid saved session errors. Clear your browser cache and cookies to remove outdated login data that can block access. Restart your browser completely, then reopen it and try logging in again. Switch to a supported browser such as the latest Chrome, Edge, or Firefox for best compatibility. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers temporarily, because they can interfere with the login page. Check your internet connection by loading 2 other websites, and restart your router if pages are slow or failing. If you are on a school network, disconnect and test using a mobile hotspot to rule out network restrictions. Verify your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can cause secure sign-in failures. If you see an account locked message, wait the required time or contact your school IT help desk to unlock it. If you see an access denied or not authorized message, confirm you are enrolled in the course or assigned the correct role in the system. On mobile, update the Blackboard app from the App Store or Google Play to avoid version-related login errors. If the app still fails, uninstall it, restart your phone, reinstall it, and try signing in again. If you use a VPN, turn it off and retry, because VPN locations can trigger security blocks. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, confirm you have your phone, authenticator app, or backup codes ready. If your verification code is not arriving, check spam folders, confirm your phone signal, and request a new code. Try logging in from a different device, such as another computer or phone, to identify whether the issue is device-specific. Check your school's status page or IT announcements for Blackboard outages or scheduled maintenance. If your password was recently changed, fully sign out everywhere and wait a few minutes for the new password to sync. For teachers, confirm you are using the instructor portal if your institution separates student and staff access links. If you are stuck on a loading screen, refresh once, then clear site data for the Blackboard domain and try again. If you get a cookies disabled warning, enable cookies in browser settings and reload the login page. If none of these steps work, take a screenshot of the exact error and note the time, browser, and device for support. Finally, contact your school's Blackboard support or IT desk with your details so they can verify your account and permissions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.